you find the scent of jackfruit awful? You might want to reconsider because this fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with major and micronutrients, jackfruit is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a great way to enhance your immunity. Why is everyone talking about jackfruit? It's loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, potassium, magnesium, and copper. Low in calories and high in fiber, jackfruit helps with weight management and controls appetite and digestion. Its low glycemic index makes it perfect for controlling blood sugar levels, a boon for those watching their glucose intake. Wondering how to incorporate jackfruit into your diet? Add young jackfruit to your curries for a meaty texture and rich flavor. Use ripe jackfruit pieces in fruit salads or as a topping for your green salads for a tropical twist. Blend ripe jackfruit with yogurt and honey for a delicious smoothie, or roast jackfruit seeds for a crunchy and nutritious snack. Jackfruit is also great for your skin and eyes, thanks to its high vitamin A content, which lowers the risk of macular degeneration and improves skin radiance. So why wait? Start incorporating jackfruit into your diet today and experience its myriad benefits. Stay healthy, stay vibrant,